Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Netflix clone, basically a streaming movie website. So if you're looking for a way to start your own movie website, then please watch this video to the end. So as you can see here, this is basically streaming website.
We need to savor every last moment together.
So this is it. This is how it looks like. As you can see over here. This are movies. When you click on it, it's going to take you to it's basically going to take you to that the names of movies, Ant-Man, so on. So so to get started, you need to get a hosting plan that's a cPanel. Head over to dreamhosting.com.ng/host. You'll see shared hosting, click on it, then log into your account. Then you get a cPanel just like this, what you can see here. So the first thing, or rather the second thing you need to do is you need to go to your file manager, then click on upload to upload the file. As you can see, this is file over here. So I'm going to extract the file right now. So before I do that, I just need to do this. Okay. Now extract, click on this. Now, after we've extracted our file, we head over to this and click on select all. Then we move. Then, so yes, select files. So now you click on files, you see that it's completely empty. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to refresh this. And as you can see, we have the installation page loading up. Now, in order for this installation page to come up, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your PHP version is 8.3. If your PHP version is 8.2, 8.4 is not going to work. Make sure it's on 8.3 and go over to this place and make sure that your multi-PHP version is the same with your extension, that your PHP extension, current PHP version 8.3, in order for this to work. So now next we're going to do is head over to Core, Bootstrap, Cache. So I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this. Then there's Bootstrap. So let's follow the guide on Bootstrap, Cache. So I'm going to double click on this. So Cache. Now remember I talked about the permission. So let's change our permission 775. Then you see core storage. So head over to where storage is, change permission, do this, change permission. So now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to open the storage, then change permission, framework, change permission, then log, change permission. So now what we're going to do here now is we're going to recheck. And you can see that requirement check passed. So click on next step, and then we'll set up our database. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we are using this database that we created at the beginning of our video. So I'm going to drop description link, and on top of the video, you should be able to see this how to create SQL. You can just check my channel too. watch the video on how to go about it. It's very, very simple. Let me just run it down. So you go over to database wizard and just follow the step. It's as simple as that. So for the sake of this, I'm going to copy my database information. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy this. Then this is localhost. Make sure it's localhost. That's what it's showing. Make sure that's what you're using. Then copy and going to paste. I'm going to paste this also. Then you know how to do it. Admin user and password, something very simple. Then the email, something very simple. Also admin@gmail.com. I'll click on install now. So you see installation, successful, valid license. As you can see over here. So we're going to do now is click on go to website and activate. So as you can see, this is our website, similar to this. So this is similar to this, similar to this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, let's just navigate through all. You can see live TV, nothing is there. Subscribe, nothing is there. If you click on login, you see that this is where it's going to take you to. Then you see register. But now for the sake of this video, we are going to now log into our admin. So admin, so this is our admin. So let's log into our admin user, then the password, click login. As you can see here, this is our movie website. So you don't need to change any, just leave it where it is as it is. It's totally fine. This is working perfectly fine. Once the 3.1 is out, I will show you how to update it. So now the next thing you're going to do now is you head over to the system setting. Now general, basically change the name. So change it to tech hack and then just click save, submit. Let's change this color. So let's give it blue. Okay, submit. So now while we're making changes, we can visit our website. You can see change it to blue right now. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to just click on settings. Then we're going to logo and favicon. So basically, I'm going to change this logo right now. So I'm just going to use WordPress. Just going to use something like this. Just change it to WordPress. I just submit. I will refresh this. Is meant to show, is meant to change. So just give it some time. So let's clear the cache. That's okay. So now let's try it again. Okay, some changes are already been made. You can see the color has changed. So just know that it has changed automatically. Just give it some time. So next thing is manage templates. So as you can see here, this is the template that we're using. But let's say we want to change our templates to something different. So let's select this template. Then let's refresh this. So you can see that this is our new website templates. Now we have to add images to this to make it look attractive. But for now, let's just move back to the default template, which is this one. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to head over to system setting again. This is system configuration, grid policy, limitation tracker. Like you're trying to set limits. So this is this only subscription. Don't need to do that. So now submit. So now the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to head over to system setting again. And we can manage front end. Basically just the heading. You can change the background images, change the heading also, go back, the register section and change it also if you want to. Then if you want to add video item, all items. So basically you can add like the image for the movie, the title, the categories. You are going to add categories over here. Then the version, free version, that is for free users. Then the name of the producer, name of the director, generate languages. Basically, that's how to set this up. You can enter your IMDb, so TMDB on this thing. Then you can just fetch. You can say episode. Basically, this is you just click fetch. You need to put the ID. So that's to put the ID. So the next thing is the plans. You won't set your plans, you can add new plans. You can put show ads on these plans or don't show ads on these plans. Then for television, add new, basically the title of the television. Then video advertisements, add link to the video ad where it's going to play from. You can just add your video to it, then upload a video file. So when users are watching video, it's going to bring adverts on their screen or to their screen rather. Now for system settings, scroll down, see in-app payments. Basically, this is basically setting up Google Pay, setting up Google Pay basically. So you don't need that. What you basically just need this, which I just made mention of right now. So this is how to set up your let's say you want to add a slider. Basically, this is how to set up your own movie streaming website. So this is it. So if you're interested in this script, you can see I just updated it. Now, if you're interested in this script, feel free to reach out to me. You can set your file storage, FTP, Wasabi, DigitalOcean. And for the extra, basically server application, you don't need this. This is not important to you. And then for the payment, all payment. So basically, as you can see here, payment section, pending payment, initiated payment, about system settings, see payment gateway. So you can disable all these, or you can just configure any of these payment options. So regardless of which country you are from, you can make use of any of these automated gateway that's been added. So just click edit, then put in like the information that's provided and the currency, then click submit. So each payment gateway comes with different things entirely. So manual gateway is just something simple. So just call this SSS S just put 0.062, then amount minimum fixed charge maximum 1,000, 1% pay year. So just do this. Then for the logo, we put in WordPress again, then submit. So we've added manual gateway. So click on manual gateway, you can see it has been enabled. So what we're going to do now is we're going to log out. Then we're going to refresh this. Then we're going to sign up. So now let's set up our website. So we're going to call this test. We're going to call this test, and we're going to, okay, sorry, test. So just use something simple. Password, something very simple for the sake of this tutorial. So this is going to be the password. Then click register. So as you can see here, this is it. So I'm just going to call it test user. So I'm just going to call this, I'll just put random number, and I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this zip code. I'm just going to put random zip code. I'm going to put city. I'm going to put random city and click submit. So as you can see now, this is my dashboard. This is how it's going to look like. Admin section, you make changes to like the image title and the rest. So this is basically how it looks like. You can see ticket, subscribe. So we click subscribe. See that no subscription because we didn't add it in the admin section. Let's click on profile setting. You can see this is our information here. So let's say we want to create tickets, create new tickets. So we want to like make a complaint. Customers want to make complaint. So I'll go about it. Then you can click watch party. You click join party, enter the code. So you and your partner can watch together. And payment history. See, there's no payment history here because there's no payment plan that has been set up from the admin side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this. We're going to log out. So close this. Then we'll refresh this. Then we're going to put let's log in here, and let's see if the user that I just created has been added. So yeah, as you can see over here, this is total user. You can see details, you can see plans and the rest. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a plan. So I'll call this test one. So this is for Google. So just put random app underscore test. Then icon, just put plan. Okay, just put this. Duration 30 days. Show ads. Click submit. So now what we're going to do now is go over to users, details. Then we log in as user. And now I talked about subscription. So now as you can see over here, this is subscription. So confirm. So now we're going to make payments. As you can see here, this is payment gateway created. So click confirm payments. So now this is we pay the information that's provided for them to pay. Then they're going to pay. Basically, that's how to pay. But like I said, I just set up a random this thing, but for you, this is not what you're going to do. You're going to set up an actual payment gateway for it to work properly. This is just for reference point, reference sake. So let's go. So let's log out, close. So now let's head over to dashboard. Let's log in again. Then we have so now for the plans, let's edit. Let's put 0. Yes, sorry. Submit. So I guess like it's only like this plan is more of like paid plan. So I think the free version, the free plan just comes by default. And dashboard categories. Yeah, the categories, what's the name of the category, trailer, action, comedy, and so on and so forth. So if you head over to this page, you can see it's empty. Once I click on it, you can see that the database exists already, as you can see over here. So this is basically how to create a movie streaming website. So this is it. If you need the scripts, feel free to reach out to me, drop comment section below. Click on the description link to reach out to me to make purchase of your order, and you get the script. It's ready and is available. You can see I installed it live on live server, not XAMPP live server. So if you're interested, let me know.